The Milky Way galaxy is the galaxy that contains our solar system. It's a huge collection of stars, gas, and dust that appears as a bright, hazy band of light in the night sky. Imagine a giant, swirling pinwheel of stars with our sun and its planets including Earth, nestled within one of its spiral arms. The Milky Way is a barred spiral galaxy, meaning it has a central bar-shaped structure and spiral arms of stars, gas, and dust that curve outward from the center. It's estimated to contain between 200 to 400 billion stars, each with its own unique characteristics. Some stars are big and bright, while others are small and faint. The galaxy also contains various types of interstellar gas and dust, which are the raw materials for star formation. The Milky Way is thought to have formed around 13.6 billion years ago during a period known as the Big Bang. Over time, the galaxy has undergone numerous mergers and interactions with other galaxies, which have shaped its structure and composition. These interactions have triggered periods of intense star formation, leading to the diverse range of stellar populations observed in the galaxy today. One of the biggest challenges in studying the Milky Way is that we're located within it. This makes it difficult to observe the galaxy's overall structure and composition. Imagine trying to describe the layout of a city while standing in the middle of it. It's hard to get a clear picture. To overcome this challenge, astronomers use a variety of observational techniques, including infrared and radio observations, which can penetrate the dust and gas that obscures our view. The Milky Way is not alone in the universe. It's part of a small group of galaxies called the Local Group, which includes the Andromeda Galaxy and several smaller galaxies. The Milky Way is also part of a larger network of galaxies called the Laniakea supercluster, which stretches over 500 million light-years across. Understanding the Milky Way's place in the universe provides valuable insights into the structure and evolution of the cosmos on the largest scales. As we continue to study the Milky Way, we're reminded of the awe-inspiring beauty and complexity of the universe. The galaxy is a dynamic, ever-changing system that's still evolving today. New stars are forming, old stars are dying, and the galaxy is slowly changing shape. Despite all we've learned, there's still much to be discovered about the Milky Way and the universe it inhabits. In recent years, advances in technology have allowed us to study the Milky Way in greater detail than ever before. Space-based telescopes like the Hubble Space Telescope and the Gaia mission have provided unprecedented insights into the galaxy's structure, composition, and evolution. Future surveys and missions such as the James Webb Space Telescope will further our understanding of the Milky Way and its place in the universe.
The universe is poised to die much faster than previously thought, according to new research by Dutch scientists. But there's no great need to panic. We still have 10 to the power of 78 years before it happens. That's a 1 with 78 zeros. However, that is a major revision from the previous estimate of 10 to the power of 1,100 years, notes the research paper from Radboud University, published in the Journal of Cosmology and Astroparticle Physics. The final end of the universe is coming much sooner than expected, but fortunately it still takes a very long time, said lead author Heino Falk. A trio of scientists at Radboud set out to calculate when the most durable celestial bodies, white dwarf stars, would eventually die out. They based their calculations on Hawking radiation, named after celebrated British physicist Stephen Hawking. Hawking postulated in the mid-1970s that black holes leak radiation, slowly dissolving like aspirin in a glass of water, giving them a finite lifetime.
The Radboud scientists extended this to other objects in the universe, calculating that the evaporation time depends on density. This enabled them to calculate the theoretical dissolution of the longest-lasting body, the white dwarf. By asking these kinds of questions and looking at extreme cases, we want to better understand the theory, and perhaps one day we can unravel the mystery of Hawking radiation, said co-author Walter van Zwijlkom. Humankind needn't worry too much about the end of the universe. Unless we escape planet Earth, we'll be long gone. Scientists think that our sun will be too hot for life in about 1 billion years, boiling our oceans. In about 8 billion years, our star will eventually expand towards the Earth, finally gobbling up our by then barren and lifeless planet and condemning it to a fiery death.
Astronomers have discovered the closest known black hole to Earth, and it's practically in our galactic backyard. Located just 1,560 light-years away in the constellation Ophiuchus, this black hole is part of a binary system named Gaia BH1. What's even more surprising? Its companion is a star just like our Sun, quietly orbiting an invisible monster. This discovery was made possible by data from ESA's Gaia mission, and it challenges what we thought we knew about how black holes form and evolve. Just another reminder, space is both beautiful and terrifying.